worldwide. T-Pain. El que no hable consejo, no llega viejo. So, listen up. Let it go. The girl wanna play, let it go. Let it go. The girl wanna play, let it go. Let it go. The girl wanna play, let it go. Let it go. The girl wanna play, let it go.
Baby girl, what you doing tonight? I wanna see what you got in store. Baby, giving it your all when you're dancing on me. I wanna see if you can give me some more. Baby, you can be my girl, I can be your man, and we can smoke this jam however you want. Baby, pump it from the side, pump it upside down, or we can pump it from the back and the front. Baby. Drop it to the floor, make me wanna say, yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna say, ooh, you got it, 'cause it make me wanna say, yeah, don't stop it.
I want you tonight. Self-paid, self-made, millionaire. I used to play around the world, now I'm around the world. Getting paid, girl problems, no problems. Don't hit again, 'cause I won't stop. I wanna get with you, mommy. Now let me see what the Lord split you like.
Baby girl, what you doing tonight? I wanna see what you got in store. Baby, giving it your all when you're dancing on me. I wanna see if you can give me some more. Baby, you can be my girl, I can be your man, and we can smoke this jam however you want. Baby, pump it from the side, pump it upside down, or we can pump it from the back and the front. Baby. Drop it to the floor, make me wanna say, yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna say, ooh, you got it, 'cause it make me wanna say, yeah, don't stop it, 'cause it make me wanna say.
Make money, this shit right here gotta eat, baby. And scared money don't make money, that's how it goes in the street, baby. But enough about the nonsense. Baby girl, take a shot, clear your conscience. Not a goon or a cop, I'm a monster. 'Cause I hit all the baddest women in the world, gangsta. Baby, baby, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby, la 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 la.
Ooh, drop it to the floor, make me wanna say, baby, yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna say, baby, ooh, you got it, 'cause it make me wanna say, baby, yeah, don't stop it, 'cause it make me wanna say. Ooh, drop it to the floor, make me wanna say, baby, yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna say, baby, ooh, you got it, 'cause it make me wanna say, baby, yeah, don't stop it.
I want you tonight.
Let's learn Hey Baby. It's choreographed by Brianna, Bench, and Dustin Wenck. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Hey Baby. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do skate to the right and the left, but you want your skates to slightly hop. So we're going to push our right foot into that right diagonal, but you want to make it a little hoppy step. You're then going to do the same thing with your left, so you're going to push your left into the left diagonal, but you want to make it a slightly hop. We're now going to do a shuffle forward, left together, right, forward. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to touch your right toe behind your left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 6 o'clock, and a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your skates. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our right foot and popping your left knee up. You're now going to bump your hip to the left and then back center. You're going to step back with your left and pop your right knee up, and you're going to bump your hip to the right, then back center. We're going to kick our right foot forward, then we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we kick our right foot forward. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to do a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. We would have just done that quarter turn. We're stepping back, making another quarter turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto our right, and we're going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. We're now going to stomp our right foot to the right side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you kick your left foot forward, and then you're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our coaster step, so we're going to rock to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto our left, and we're going to do a triple over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to rock forward with your left, and as you recover, we're going to do a 3/4 spin over our left shoulder. You're going to use this rock as a prep, and as you recover, you're going to start that 3/4 turn over your left shoulder, turning on the ball of your right foot all the way around to 9 o'clock, and then you're going to step your left next to your right to face 9 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We're rocking 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the next wall. Now, so options that you have in this dance is that you can make those first section just be regular skates and keep your feet completely on the floor, or you can make the whole section hop. The choice is kind of yours. The other variations that you can do is when you do your rock and triple, instead of tripling, you can make them hops. So we would rock forward with our right, recover onto our left, and then we're going to do 2 quarter turning hops. So we would rock, recover, quarter hop, and you want your weight on your right foot facing 6 o'clock. The other variation that you can do is if you would like to leave out that 3/4 spin, you can make it a 3/4 triple. So you could rock forward with your left foot, recover onto your right, and then you would do 3/4 turns. So you'd make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. You'd be facing 3 o'clock. You'd make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot next to your left to face 12 o'clock. And then a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9. And then you would start the dance all over again. All of them are options listed on the step sheet, so you can choose which one works best for you. So now let's go around. We're going to do the front wall all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our hopping skate. So it's hop, right, left, right triple, quarter touch behind, quarter, back hip bump, back hip bump, kick, quarter kick with your coaster step, side rock, recover, weave behind, side cross, stomp, quarter kick with your coaster step, rock, recover, half triple, rock, recover, 3/4 spin. And you'll be facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your hopping skates. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the next wall. However you choose to do this dance, you can make it your own, add some extras. If you would like to make it even more harder, when you do that rock, you can make this spin, go all the way around a couple times, and then start the dance all over again. Whatever feels good to you while you dance it. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're starting with your hopping skates. Hop, hop, shuffle forward, quarter tuck behind, quarter, 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 back hip bump, kick, quarter kick with your coaster, step, side rock, recover, behind side cross, stomp, quarter kick with your coaster, step, rock, recover, half triple, rock, recover, 3/4 spin. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skate, skate, and your triple. Step, quarter tap, quarter, 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 back hip bump, kick, quarter kick with your coaster, step, side rock, recover, behind side cross, stomp, quarter kick with your coaster, step, rock, recover, half triple, rock, recover, 3/4 spin. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. And like I said, you can add all the variations in, you can add the extra spins or change up the turns slightly. And as long as you're having fun, that's all that matters. I hope this helps you learn Hey Baby. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.